Hello dear students, it is a video class for PUC first year business study commerce students. So in the last video we were discussed about rule of profit in business. So dear students, we have seen in that topic for long survival, for growth and experience, expansion, for increasing efficiency, for building prestige and recognition, so on and so forth. We have discussed a lot of things under the head role of profit in the business. Dear students, in the today's class I am very much interested to discuss the further syllabi, that is business activities and its classifications. So for that I am standing before the camera along with my camera technician, my best friend Mustafa Hagis sir. So dear students, let us discuss the today's class about business activities. So are classified into two parts. So business activities are classified into two parts. Let us discuss about this topic. So this is very interesting after all discussion made with regards to introduction of business and nature and the purpose of business. So this is the further syllabus, that is business activities are classified into two parts. So before that, dear students, this title has included several things regarding business activities. It starts with the term business activities. Keep in mind the term business activities which are very much interested, which are very much related to earning the profit. The main intention of the business to earn a profit, that you all know from the previous videos. So dear students, these activities are classified into two parts, namely the first one is industry and the second one is commerce. The first one is industries, or industry you can use. Then the second one is commerce. In the first title, dear students, industry, which deals with the production of goods and services. Which deals with the production of goods and services. So industry deals with the production and services. So whereas this commerce, which covers about this one, which deals with the distribution of goods and services, which deals with the distribution, the term distribution of goods and services. Distribution of goods and services. Keep in mind, dear students, these terms, these services, these classifications are very essential about this one business activities. So the business activity, that is basically an economic activity. Its intention is to earning the profit, that you all know already from the earlier videos. Dear students, so for reaching that desired goal, so what kind of activities are conducted in business? So on the basis of that, we can see here, one is industry and the other one is commerce. In the term industry, dear students, which deals with the production and services. Here, in the industry, it is a process of converting the raw material into finished product. That will be a finished product and finished goods, you can say. So then later on, providing useful services to the society. So it is somewhat about the something about the industry. So the next classification of business activity, that is commerce, which deals with the distribution of goods and services. What we have produced in the industry, that we need to supply the produced goods and services to the end users. So in that aspect we can deal the distribution of goods and services. Dear students, keep in mind, the firstly let us discuss about individually about this classification of business activities. Dear students, the first one is industry. As you all know, dear students, industry, as I said earlier, it is the conversion of raw material into finished product. Let us discuss regarding this. So the first one, the industry contains, there are several types. The first one is primary industry. Primary industry. The primary industry. The second one is secondary industry. Secondary industry. Then the third one is territory or territory okay, or you can say service industry. Service industry. Like this, so we can classify this one, the first business activity, that is industry. So industry has further classifications. One is primary industries, second one is secondary industries, the third one tertiary or service industries. Let us see one by one what exactly is the primary industry, and later on secondary industry, and third one is service industry, or you can say tertiary industries, dear students. So please concentrate regarding the primary industry. Dear students, keep in mind, the primary industry includes those activities through which the natural resources are used to provide a raw material for other industries. So for the sake of other industries, the raw materials are used from the natural source. So for example, mining. So you can see the mining, fishing, dairy farming, agriculture, and so on and so forth. These are the something live example for the primary industries. So let us discuss about the secondary industry. Dear students, under this industry, these are the secondary industry, keep in mind, so which are quite apart from the primary industries. In the primary industries, we can get this one the finished product with the help of natural resources. So in the secondary sector or secondary industry, under this industry, new products are manufactured by using the previously produced things. For example, you can see the computer is the finished product. So that is the finished product or new product. For producing that computer, so we need a lot of tools to assemble to get the new product as a computer. So that that is the better example for secondary industries. So or you can say the watch. The watch, it is the finished product. To get this finished product of watch, we need a lot of tools. So before that they have manufactured. So that this is the example for secondary industry. Example, producing, one more example, producing cotton is a primary industry, and manufacturing cloth out of cotton is a secondary industry. This is about secondary industry. Then the third one is territory or service industry. Dear students, so in the name, the title of this point, that is service industry, means look here, it includes those services which help business to move smoothly. So very important. It includes those services which help business to move smoothly. For example, transport, bank, insurance, so storage and advertising. These are all the service sector industries. They help by providing different utilities to this industry and business activities. So this is about the first business activity, that is industry, and its meaning and its further classifications. So I hope you have understood, you have got the knowledge about this today's class. We have tried our level best. Thank you very much.